So SOLIDWORKS Composer is a bit of software that allows us to create things like instruction manuals, procedural guides, maybe kind of maintenance manuals, but all using our SOLIDWORKS CAD data. So it uses our CAD data to produce that kind of content. The nice thing is that it runs alongside SOLIDWORKS, so any changes made to your SOLIDWORKS CAD data get reflected in your instruction manual. That means that you should be able to run this concurrently, so you can actually start your documentation before your designs are actually finished. We can create technical illustrations, so we call those vector graphics, which are scalable. So they're like a technical author's dream format, if you like. And we can also create just regular pictures. So we can create JPEGs, things like that. But they're not photorealistic as such, they're more kind of technical. So for me, I guess, the holy grail of an instruction manual is like the Haynes Motor Manual or IKEA manual. And that's because they've used either flat block color or they use black and white line art. It's very clear, it's very precise. And there's no kind of attempt at photorealism. So it's not really designed for photorealistic images, but certainly for clarity, this is the product to use. So Composer is a standalone product. It runs alongside SOLIDWORKS. You don't actually need to have SOLIDWORKS on your machine to be able to use it. It's been designed to be used by the non-CAD user. So typically speaking, you might find that maybe somebody in tech pubs might use it, or it can be used by the design engineer themselves. I know certainly when I was in industry, I was responsible for creating my own content, my own designs, but it's been designed to be used by anybody. Just to give you an idea, the training course is just 2 days long for Composer. So the most common methods are screen capture, so just people using print screen, something like that. Taking photographs of finished product as well, so if you create an instruction manual, maybe you take one of these apart and actually take photographs at the same time. Hand sketching, using something like Illustrator to do it. All of these methods don't run concurrently, so if there's any change in the CAD data, all of that has to be reworked.